1, 2, 3. There they are. You can see them right there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jada, and if you're new here, which you most likely are, welcome to my little family. So today we are going to be waxing our chin. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a professional waxer. I wax people for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years consistently as my everyday job. So I've just seen so many videos on YouTube of people waxing themselves, and it literally scares me.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Because the way that some people do it can actually just damage your skin and cause ingrown hairs and bumps and all these other things and irritation that you don't generally want. I just don't want anybody out there to have any type of damaged skin or anything like that. So I just wanted to jump on here and help you guys out to wax yourselves safer and better and get great results. If you guys are interested in learning how to properly wax your face or just any other areas of your body, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so now we're in my bathroom. Please excuse if you guys hear any background noise. That's my mom being silly. So yeah, sorry if you guys hear any background noise. That's just my mom being silly. So before we jump into actually waxing, I just have to show you guys exactly what you need to wax. First things first, you need cotton rounds. I got these cotton rounds from Walgreens, so, or you guys can get them from any, you know, convenience store or whatever. You can get cotton rounds, cotton balls, whatever cotton. Yeah, get those. Then you're gonna need a pre-wax cleanser. Basically all this does is that it cleans your skin and it leaves it no barrier in between, like any oils or anything like that, that will basically fight off the wax and give you a nice clean surface to work off of. So if you can't find this type of pre-wax cleaner, you can order some off of Sally's website most likely, or Amazon or something. Just get something that's basically a pre-wax cleanser and you should be good. Last thing that you need is a wooden stick. These actually are a little bit these are actually too big. These come in like 2 general sizes, which is this size. You would use this size generally for like larger areas like the underarm or your legs, your Brazilian area. And then there's like the smaller baby, like infant size tongue depressors like these that you use for like facial services, like your eyebrows and your chin and stuff like that. But because I'm used to working with like this type of wax, I can get away with using these. So I just ordered these. So one quick thing that I forgot to mention before is that the wax that I'm using today is hard wax. There is a difference between hard wax and soft wax. Soft wax is that wax that you put on and then you need to put like that paper on top and then you rub it and you rip it off, versus the hard wax, you just put that on your skin, you let it get hard, and then it becomes its own strip and you just rip it off your skin. So me, because of where I worked before and the type of wax that I used before, I'm used to using, and I specialize in using hard wax. So that's the type of wax that we're using today. But you can still apply the same techniques that I'm going to be showing you guys today with soft wax as well. I just like to use hard wax because 1, I'm comfortable with it, and 2, I feel like it's better for like more sensitive skin and just sensitive areas like your face. I have my wax pot. I ordered it off of Amazon. If I can find the link for it, I will tag it down below for you guys. If I can't, I'm so sorry, but it's off of Amazon. This wax pot actually came with its own wax too, but I just didn't like the consistency of the wax that they had with this. It was very gummy and it didn't really take off that much hair. I just really didn't like it. So the wax that I am using is from Miss Sierra. I'll link them down below for you as well. One of my waxing friends told me about that website, and I absolutely love this wax. It's so similar to the wax that I was using at my old job. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Those are the things that you need. So one important tip for waxing is the temperature. That's just one huge thing that affects getting those bumps and the redness and the irritation and just or consistency of the wax. You want the wax to be kind of, and I'm talking about hard wax now, you want the hard wax to kind of be like almost like a putty consistency. You guys will see as like I'm doing it. The temperature that you want to use that I recommend for using hard wax is between 125 to 135 degrees. If you go any higher than that, which you can, I don't recommend if you're a beginner, but if you can, if you're having a hard time finding any results or that consistency is not loose enough for you, then yeah, you can turn it up and use it at a higher heat. But I recommend just using it between 125 and 135 degrees, especially on the face, because you really don't want to burn yourself. Let's actually get into the actual waxing, what we're here for. Woo. Basically gonna do everything in the camera right here for you guys. It's actually kind of hard for me because I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror right now, so if I'm not looking directly at you, I'm sorry, I just need to look right here. So I'm taking the cotton round. I did wash my hands before this, so you guys know I washed my hands. I just grabbed the cotton round and the pre-wax cleanser. Make sure you wash your face too before you start waxing to make sure you get rid of any type of, like, you know, oils and lotions or whatever is on your skin. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see my face. It's embarrassing, but you guys need to see. So you guys can see those hairs right there. We're gonna get rid of those today. So you just cleanse right up in there. Just wipe it away. Just cleaning. Okay, and then you're gonna let it dry down. There you go. So I'm going to show you guys what the wax looks like right now because I was heating it up as I was starting the video and stuff like that, or preparing for the video, so we didn't have to sit here and wait forever. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's too hot, okay? And you see how that's just like coming down all liquidy like that? That's way too hot. It should not come down like that easily. It should not come down that easily. So yeah, that's way too hot. So we're just gonna wait for it to cool down. I turn the knob down, the degrees down. If this will focus. There we go. So I turn the degrees down. I know it's like really close to the on button, but 160 is just way too hot. So I just turned it down so that they can solidify a little bit. And I'm just gonna keep stirring it and checking it every few seconds until it's ready.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so I'm back. I waited for the wax to cool down just a little bit, but I'm impatient, low-key. Well, high-key, I'm impatient. So, cool down enough for me to be able to use it, but you guys can always test it out. You can use your arm right here to make sure that it's at a temperature that is comfortable for you. So whatever works best for you, because you know your skin best, then just go right ahead and jump right in. I know I have like hyperpigmentation all down here, so it makes it kind of hard to see on camera, but there's hair there. We already cleansed it, so I'm gonna go in with the wax. So I scoop it, take it out. Not too much on there because it's not that big of an area. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at that skin. You're gonna look at that hair and see the direction that it's growing. Now, there we go. So these hairs are growing this way for me. So we're gonna lay the wax the direction of the hair growth. Now while we're doing that, we're gonna taut the skin and pull it tight this way. Lay the wax on. Make sure you're constantly going the direction of the hair growth. Because what I see a lot of people do, I know you guys are super close to my face, because what I see a lot of people do online on here is that they lay it down and they go back this way and they go back this way and they go back this way. Now what that causes is ingrown hairs and bumps, which obviously we don't want. So make sure you're just laying the wax down the direction of the hair growth while pulling your skin tight, because that's opening up the skin to make sure that the wax gets nice and in there so that we pull everything out. Okay, so now I waited for the wax to get hard, hence hard wax, and it's nice and not sticky. See, it's not attaching, nothing's coming off of my hands, so that means the wax is ready. So what you're gonna do, here's the key for it to be less painful for when you wax, is to pull the skin back, taunt, grab the wax here, and go 1, 2, 3, boom. And then put pressure right after. The pressure just helps with the pain. And that's it. Those hairs are basically gone. There they are. You can see them right there. Those are all the hairs that we just waxed out. There they are. You can see them right there. See? Not so bad. So we're gonna do it again. So again, pull the skin, lay the wax hair the direction of the hair grows. Wait for the wax to dry. Now it's dry. Pull the skin tight again. And go 1, 2, 3. Pressure. And that's it. And here's another one. And it's as easy as that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wax some more of my face, well, my chin, since we're here. And then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay, I wish I knew why. It's like, I'm sorry if like the lighting is kind of dark in here. I don't know why. I have my ring light on. I have a light on in here. I don't know, and it's yellow, so I don't know why it's like dark in here, but I apologize. I just finished waxing basically my chin and my neck all together. If you see that there are some hairs that are just left that you couldn't get out at the end of the waxing, that's perfectly normal. All you have to do is just tweeze them out and you'll be good. So yeah, don't think that you failed or that you didn't do it right or something if there are still some hairs that are left over that didn't come out. And they just may be too short, or they're just not ready, or they're just super stubborn, because everybody has stubborn hairs somewhere on their body. So it's fine. Just get some tweezers and tweeze them out and you should be good. So if you guys need any other tips or anything like that, please, oh yeah, refer to my old video, waxing tips for a Brazilian from an experienced waxer. I have other tips in there besides just getting a Brazilian, just other good information just to know about waxing yourself or just waxing in general. You should check that video out. If you guys have any other questions or concerns when it comes to this video today, please leave a comment down below. Do not be shy. I will answer you. And I hope you guys learned something new today. And I just wanted to help out everybody having some struggles with waxing themselves. So hopefully this helps you out a lot if you have any questions whatsoever. I love you guys so much. I really don't have anything else to say that I can think of right now. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, and I love you guys. See ya.